Welcome everyone to the card kit reveal and inspiration for our latest card kit. This one's called Garden Greetings, and we have this packed with so many great items I think you're going to love. So I'm going to start off with our 6x8 stamp set, and this one is called Garden Greetings, and it has some amazing floral images and some messages in Christina Werner's handwriting that can be paired with the smaller sentiments. This is a great all-year-round set because it has your birthday, thinking of you, thank you, sympathy, and sending hugs, get well soon, and more. To go along with the stamp set, we're also including the big Scripty Hugs die, and this is a two-piece die, and I've cut mine together and I've inlaid and I just put a piece of tape on the back. But you can stack these up if you cut them separately to add to your cards, and that's the same Scripty handwriting that's on the stamp set. Next up, we have a new embossing folder, and this one's called Blossom Field. It features really delicate flowers, and I have done a quick sample for you using some fog ink and doing a letterpress technique where I've inked up the folder and then ran it through my die cut machine. With these folders, you can either use the front side or the back side for a debossed effect. Also in this kit is a package of Pink Fresh Studio. These are super cool mini puffy alpha stickers. So they are a white vinyl, and this is in a classic font, and there's repeating letters so you can make your own words. You'll also receive a pack of the Simon Says Stamp Orca Sequins. These are really beautiful, reflective in some dark colors and mixed sizes. This is a brand new product for Simon Says Stamp. We're revealing this today. It is a dot liner, and the pack has 2 refills for you. Each of the rolls has 26¼ yards of dot liner to get you started. The tip of the tape runner has a protective cap to protect your adhesive, and when you run this onto your paper, it'll disperse a 5/16 inch width of tiny dots, which can also be removed with an eraser. To open the cartridge, there's 2 little places that have smiley faces. All you have to do is press those in and open this like a clamshell, and you can replace your cartridge. Next up are the 6x6 papers. You'll get 6 double-sided sheets, and these are from the Paper Rose Forever collection. They are full of florals and also some really small prints. The colors are beautiful in some grays, light pink, and black, which makes for some really elegant cards. One of the sheets on the backside has some writings, and you can clip these apart and add them to your cards. And on the other side of this is a tiny print of florals. We're also including 2 of the Simon Says Stamp A2 envelopes in cotton candy and white, and they have the peel away adhesive so you don't have to lick them to stick them. And we have some cardstocks. We have 110-pound Solar White Nina, Simon Says Stamp 100-pound in smoke, cotton candy, and black. And finally, we're also including our new Simon Says Stamp zipper mesh pouch. This has a really strong zipper at the top. It is also see-through with a white fine mesh, and you can fit your entire contents of your kit inside. We were careful to make sure we designed it so that we could fit cardstock in along with our other goodies. This is really handy to organize everything all together, and then you can see through to see what you have inside. Okay, up next I have some inspiration for you using the contents of this kit, and I'll start off with my card first. I've created an end-to-end shaker panel where I have silver embossed the flowers inside, and then I filled it with some of the Orca sequins, and then I added the puffy stickers on top for my message. Callie created a beautiful card using the embossing folder and pink ink. She gold embossed her hugs and then used the die cut outside shadow to cut out her message. Nina created her card using the papers and used a cutout of one of the papers for Happy Birthday and paired it with one of the Simon Says Stamp rose dies for an elegant card. So I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and walkthrough of our latest card kit, Garden Greetings. Be sure to check our blog post for additional inspiration, and as always, thanks so much for watching.